Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus IS 300 with its key. Starting your Lexus IS 300 is a straightforward process, but it relies on a few key components working correctly. We'll go over the steps to ensure a smooth start every time. This method is the standard and most reliable way to get your vehicle running, ensuring you're ready for your journey. Your Lexus IS 300 key is more than just a metal blade. It contains a transponder chip. This chip sends a unique signal to your car's immobilizer system, allowing the engine to start. First, insert the key completely into the ignition. Then, turn it to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights and powers up the vehicle's electrical systems, preparing it for ignition. With the key in the on position, the next step is to start the engine. Ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, turn the key further clockwise to the start position. You will hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine fires up and begins to run smoothly, release the key. It will automatically spring back to the on position, keeping your vehicle powered. If your Lexus IS 300 doesn't start, there are a few common issues to check. A weak or dead battery is a frequent culprit, so ensure it has sufficient charge. Also, confirm the steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Finally, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral before attempting to start it, as a safety measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.